Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl Salon Diva V and the place to be here in my garden in zone 9. So y'all, today we are going to be planting our garlic. So I purchased this at Lowe's, and it's the California garlic. So it has 3 bulbs. 3 bulbs in here, but you guys know that you want to take the garlic and break them up. And that one looks like it's dead. Well, it's bad. Okay, you just leave that one on the outside of the soil. Oh, what is going on? I'm about to take this back to Lowe's. Okay, this is a good one. Garlic, and just plant them in your garden. So I don't know if this one is going to grow because it's bad on one part. So I'm going to just set that right there. And I think I might have to bring this back to Lowe's because they all look like this. So, found a good one. So I'm just going to take this one and put it in my soil. I have all this whole little row. Can you guys see that? Back to Lowe's. Okay, so I have this row, this whole from here all the way past the camera, and I'm just going to put the garlic in there, just like that. I'm not going to peel it. It is hot out here, even though it's cool. It's been cooled off a little bit here in Texas. And I hope I'm not hurting anything by not taking all of the peel off. But we'll see. And I'm planting every one, little and big. I'm not wasting any of it. I want them all to grow. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. So I have fertilized with all-purpose Grow Well Proven Organics. Fertilizer, and it fertilizes for up to 3 months. So that was one. The first one was not so good. The second one was okay. Let's see how this one will do. If not, I'm bringing this back to Lowe's. And they're going to give me my money back. Because this one don't look like it's all that good either. Yeah, I'm bringing this back to Lowe's. It is, but what they're giving you is just, it's all brown. Shoot, I could have went to the grocery store. This looks like that's what I'm gonna have to do anyway. Let's go to the grocery store and get some garlic. Well, I don't even know what to say to that because I got onions also. So, I'm going to this bag, put this back in here. The Lowe's owe me some money. That's not cool at all. Alright, y'all. So all I'm going to do right now is cover the rest of the garlic in leave that piece out. And I'm going to leave these two right here just as deterrents for anything that may want to come. Hopefully they'll smell it and go away. So, I'm not too excited about this section right here, but I will go to the store. I'll be heading to the store and getting me some garlic, and I will come back and we're gonna plant in this section right here. Stay tuned. Well, hello. It's Lawn Diva V in the place to be. And today we are finishing up our garlic. So I planted in that row over there garlic from Lowe's yesterday. But I didn't get a chance to go back to Lowe's and return it because the garlic was not good, to say the least. So this is just some store-bought garlic that I have, and I'm just going to plant these in this row right here. So the bed has been fertilized, and we're just going to get these garlic planted in. So how are you guys doing this morning? Have you started planting your garlic in your garden? If you have, drop a comment below and let a sister know what zone that you are gardening in. Do you plan on doing garlic this year? This is my first time planting garlic in the fall. When I was learning about garlic, I planted it in the summertime, not knowing that you were supposed to plant it in the winter. But hey, you live and you learn, right? It's a process. Let's see if I can fix you guys. So I'm planting all, the big ones and the little ones. Can you see that? Not really. Let's back you up. And yes, my nose is running. I apologize for the sniffles. All right, though. So I got two more, and I have this one left. I'm gonna get these labeled in. So I purchased these labels from off of Amazon, and they'll be in the description box down below if you want to get them. I am an Amazon affiliate. Dyslexic, are we? So I wrote the date on here, and instead of me putting 10/16/23, I put 10/23/16. All right, so got my labels on. Y'all, back in the day, your girl would forget to put her labels on, but I'm getting better. So we're just going to come in. And cover these up. Gonna make sure all of the garlic is covered up. I'm gonna get the water in, and I will find somewhere to put these last two. I'll put one right there. Maybe one right here. All right, y'all, so thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free 99. Share me with your family and your friends, and until I see you guys in the next video, peace.